So welcome back to the training advanced Fiverr masterclass, and we are right on lesson 6, talking about how to open a Nigerian Fiverr account, and we are going to be touching it from A to Z. Now, to open a Nigerian Fiverr account is pretty easy, so we'll just go straight on to Fiverr.com. Over here, go to Fiverr.com and click on sign up. Now, before we do that, we have to make sure that we are using the Nigeria IP, because majority of us these days, because of to get access to particular programs or platforms, we make use of VPNs, and we just set it on auto when we go online. Like I myself, I do that. Right now I'm on a VPN network, and we have several VPNs. Many of us, like me, I use several VPNs for different purposes. So what we are going to do is that we have to make sure that we are on the Nigeria IP, and you can just use like fingerprints, IP finger, IP to location on IP fingerprints, and then go on there to see the IP that I'm using right now. I want to make sure that we are using the Nigeria IP. Okay, no, so this is a US IP that I'm using right now. Of course I knew that already, I just want you to see how it is done. So this IP fingerprint. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off my VPN for this particular browsing section I'm using with Scribe. So I'll disconnect it, then I'll refresh to see if any other. I'll refresh. Good, very good. Now we are on a Nigeria IP, so we are safe to go. So I'll go straight on. What that is, you can just type in, just go straight to Fiverr. Still the same. You see the sign up button, you see the sign in button, you see the join button. You become a seller, so you just click on join. And then what you are going to do is that you see all this here. Please do not sign. Okay, if you are using the Nigeria Fiverr, opening Nigeria Fiverr account, you can sign in with your Facebook, because you have nothing to hide. You sign in with your continue with Facebook and Google, or continue with Apple or any of that. It is okay. But if you are using a foreign Fiverr account, you don't want to sign in with Facebook or with Google or with any of these that has your identity already. So I'm just going to type in the email that I plan using for this. And for any Fiverr account, please open a brand new email address like this. I just created this email address. Open a brand new email address that you are going to be using for that particular account, so you don't miss up other important mails with Fiverr orders and notifications. So you just know that it is that particular email address is just for that particular Fiverr account. So the moment you are done with this and you click on continue, then you now choose a username. For username, and you can let's say we just get a good name, like say, since it's a Nigeria account, I can just use my name, just put Danny underscore. Somebody has already taken that, Danny underscore services, and I know somebody must have taken this as well, of course. Or can just put Danny underscore digitals. Somebody must have digitals, and then underscore services. Okay, cannot exceed that. With Danny underscore digital is Daniel. I'm going to take off this last thing. That one is free. Daniel. Okay, let's just use this Danny underscore digital. Then you choose a password, and note it, they say it should be 8 characters long. Combine what uppercase and lowercase letters and numbers. So these 3 must be there, and this should be at least 8. So we do what? I'll just put in a password, and we are good to go. So you just click on join, and boom, it doesn't take time at all, not at all. So we are in here now, and I don't want to remember this, and we are in here now, and it is saying you need to activate this particular account. We need to activate this, change, and you can actually change your email, and you can resend it. If you I've already forwarded this to my Gmail because I don't want to be logging into my webmail every time. So I will now go check my Gmail. I will go check my Gmail and click on my mail. Oops. So let me just sign in. It keeps. Okay, I'm in. So I just created it. Hopefully, okay, fine and good. See, it has been forwarded to me. So we just click on the Fiverr account. You see it here. You are almost there. Confirm your email. To activate that particular account, you just click on it. That's, you click on activate your account, and boom, we are good to go. Aren't we good to go? Now if you go back and refresh this, see, it's still the same thing. We are good to go. So now to confirm your particular account, if it's Nigeria account, you just go on here and then you check your profile. Click on profile, and you scroll down, you see Nigerian account. That's a Nigeria account. Now to verify your email, to verify and the phone number, let's say you become a seller, you want to sell, start selling. Ready to start selling, learn this, just see continue, and then continue, click on continue, and then you put in your full name here, talking about your profile. You put every little bit of information. I just want to do it. You can always edit this. So let's say this name is private. It's your private name, nobody is going to see it. So let me just use this. Then I'm not going to bother with picture now, but it is compulsory. Add a picture, profile of yourself, and then description. Let's just do it. just pick a dummy picture for now. It can always be changed. Let me just see if this works. Then you go down. I'm just putting dummy text here, not as if this is, I'm going to show you how to do all this as we progress with the course. Let's just say digital marketer with 10 years experience. Okay, this is not the best, but I just want to fill in something there. So for languages, we pick what? English. And then for language level, of course, you want to put it at native and what? Bilingual. And then click on continue. Okay, native/bilingual. Select which language you can communicate in and your proficiency level. Okay, proficiency level, conversational, add. Let's add and see the level. So continue. Then occupation, digital marketing, and then we just select. Choose 2 to 5, your best key, content, email. Of course, we can always come over later and change all these, video marketing, social media marketing, and other. So we are good there. Then for skills, video, websites design, backup cloning. Okay, let's just say WordPress, and experience level is an expert. We add it. So let's leave that for now. And education, this is not compulsory. So you see there's no asterisk there. So certification not compulsory, personal website not compulsory. We continue. This, make sure you add make sure you have added your years of experience in 2 of your strongest skills. Okay, the skill has to be 2. Add another one. And then writing, let's put in writing there. Creative writing will be okay. See, articles writing, experience, expert, and we add it. Okay, should be good to go now. Then continue. What again? Make sure you have added your years of experience and 2 to 5 of your strongest skills. Okay, sorry, yes, experience. Say 2010 to what? 2022. Okay, all good now. Finally, so click on continue. Do you want to link account? No, and then continue. Email verify. Now this is where you verify phone number. Verification of phone number is very important, and the reason why I went through all this stress of doing all these things is to get you to this particular area, because if you don't verify phone numbers, you will not be able to create your gigs. You have issues with the Fiverr platform, and your completion ratings is actually going to see we are just on 30% because we skipped a whole lot of orders, and all these remain private. So we are going to now add our phone number and get it verified. So what we do, because you see you need this before you can continue and create your gig. So this is a Nigerian phone number. We all have Nigerian phone numbers or our local phone number, so it is not going to be a problem. So we just click on it, and this is it, Nigeria automatically. So what you do now, if your number is, let's say, 0707, you skip the 0, you skip the first letter. So I'm going to input a phone number here, and so you can either verify by SMS or you verify by call. So we are going to verify by SMS, and you click on it. An SMS will be sent to the phone, to your phone. So you open it. Now if you discover that there is any error with the phone number you have added, maybe you didn't receive any verification code sent to your phone, check the phone number if you made error, if you made a mistake. So if you made a mistake, you just click on edit and input the right phone number. Okay, so I have the code. I'm just going to input it in 9. So you submit the code, and boom, your phone number was verified successfully. Thank you. We click on it, and add security questions, and just to protect your account, you can just say, what was the name of your elementary school teacher? What was the name of your first pet? Let's say, what was the name of your first pet? You can say okay, and then let's say Obasanjo, and make sure you don't forget. So you just click on finish and okay. So you see, automatically it jumped to 65% completion rate. Now if you are using a Nigeria account, of course you will need to link up all these your social media account. You click on it here, it can take you back. So you just link up all these social media accounts to take your completion and rating up, to make it fast. So continue, and then we are here, you finish up. Now your seller profile is all set, and see, online course, they are just trying to promote some course for you to buy. You don't need that. So now go ahead and create your first gig. So we are good to go. So you cannot start creating your gig. So this is how you create a Nigeria Fiverr account. It is pretty easy, it is not difficult at all, and then we are good to go. So with this, we'll come to the conclusion of this particular lesson on how to create the open the Nigeria Fiverr accounts, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless you.